Come on, all of you should get the answer, please. Soham, Smith, Priya.
Yes, sir. I'm doing right now only.
Purvi, Art, Jason, Ashmita, Malaysia, Ansh. And try to get both these questions correct. Now, students, please. Please, those who have joined it right now, it's exercise 3, question number 5 and question number 6 unsolved. Is anybody?
Oh, sir, I'm doing right now. 1 minute.
Okay, Smith. If you can't text your answer, Smith, you can text your answer. Doesn't matter. It's just the formula. What have you done? That's all. Nishant has put forward. This is which one? Nishant, fourth one, sorry, fifth one or the sixth one?
Fifth one, fifth one.
Absolutely correct. Yes, anybody else? I want both. Sixth one also. Nishan, just try to give me the answer for the sixth one also. We can discuss. Ashmita, are you getting it? Ashmita, are you getting it?
Yes, I'm doing it.
Yes, Smith, finished with the next one. Nishant, what about you? Finished?
So almost done. Give me 2 minutes, 50 minutes,
Okay, fine.
53 minutes.
Please see to it that if you're taking time, try to complete and get the answer correct, please. Nishant has already posted his answer. Yes, done.
Sir, I can't do the problems. Can you write the answers, sir? क्योंकि मुझे नहीं आ रहा.
Which one you are not able to get it? Both.
Fifth one.
Okay. Nishant has got the next one also correct. Very good, Nishant. Nishant, can you tell me what about the fifth one? Chalo kolo, Nishant, fast.
Fifth one, we have height as 4 centimeter.
Yes.
dv upon dt is equal to 12 centimeter cube per second.
Hmm.
Then height h is equal to 1 upon 6 radius.
Nishant, just hold. Just tell me one important substitution which you'll do to get your proof correct.
You can take radius is equal to 6 h.
Very good, very good, very good. So from here I come to know that he got it. Okay, so दूसरे question में जो sixth में है, Nishant, what did you do in that? Next के लिए you got the correct answer. So what did you do? Did you prove
First one,
triangle? Did you do the ratios?
yeah. Yeah, that's what I remember. First, I tried to do normally, but then I couldn't get it, so I made a figure and started doing it.
Very good, very good. That's the way, that's the approach. The answers are now, students, both the problems I'm trying to put forward to you all, okay, students? Please, those students who are still not able to get it, students, बहुत ही easy question था. दोनों questions बहुत ही easy थे. I have given you some time in that case, but it's Nishant who answered it in that case. Okay, now please pay attention. Let me read the question, students, okay? It was an easy question, students. The answers are now. Fifth one. First, we are going for the fifth question, students. If we happen to look into it, students, sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Yani, think as if this is a pipe, okay? And the sand is pouring. That means it's pouring at 12 centimeter cube per second. Now, students, looking at this centimeter cube per second, can you tell me what exactly is this? 12 centimeter per cube per second ka matlab means what exactly, which physical quantity is this speaking about?
Volume.
Volume per unit time. This is called as rate of flow. Rate of volume flow. Agreed, students?
Agreed, sir.
ये दिया हुआ है dv by dt. क्या ये clear हुआ, students?
dv by dt.
Okay. Now for the students, sand is pouring in a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second, students. The falling sand forms a cone onto the ground. Now, this particular sand which is falling, it's forming a kind of a cone. Okay, it's forming a cone onto the ground, we consider. This is the ground surface I'll consider. Okay, this is the ground surface. And it forms a cone in that case onto the ground in such a way that the height of the cone, is always 1/6 the radius. Hamesha height of the cone will be r by 6. Agar h is equal to r by 6, students, therefore what exactly r is equal to 6 times h. और ये हमेशा maintain करता रहेगा. Now the question asked is, how fast is the height of the sand cone increasing? The answer is, students, how fast is the height of the sand cone increasing? How fast the height is increasing? How fast the height is increasing? And they are telling me to find out dh by dt. How fast the height of the sand is increasing in this case? So dh by dt is question mark.
Yes, sir.
ये पूछा गया है. Are you getting it? So how fast is the height of the cone is increasing? We consider when the height is 4 centimeter. When the height is 4 centimeter. Now, when a student gets this data clearly, can't you get your answer? Can't you get an answer? Volume rate of flow, यानी जितना आंसर ना जितना sand गिर रहा है उतना पूरा cone में convert हो रहा है ना students? So what
Yes,
exactly the volume? What is the volume of the sand I can consider will be?
Volume is pi r square h by 3.
Okay, and what is the volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 the volume of the cylinder.
Yes, sir.
क्या ये सबको clear है students? अभी मुझे क्या चाहिए? dh by dt चाहिए students. dh by dt यानी मेरे को dh by dt चाहिए. So will I consider r? No, I'm going to substitute r. Students, I need entire expression in terms of h only. So substitute r is 6h. So 1/3. यहाँ पे ये सबसे बड़ा hint था. When I asked Nishant, मैंने निशांत को ये पूछा तूने एक क्या substitution किया जिससे पूरा तुम्हारा problem सही आ गया? He said it, sir, we substitute r as 6h. अगर मैं r को 6h डाल देता हूँ तो कहने से this is 6h the whole square into h. Then I say it's 1/3 pi. 6 square is 36h cube. Is this clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Now what I'll do, sir, dv by dt is given to me. dh by dt is to be found out. So what should I do? Differentiate both the sides. Differentiate both the sides. With respect to dt we consider, that is with respect to t we consider. So what can I say? dv by dt will be equal to what? Try to differentiate. So now if I happen to differentiate, what am I going to differentiate in this case, students? Yes. Nishan, continue.
Okay, so from there, what we do is dv upon dt is equal to 12 as equal to 12 pi, and then we differentiate that. So you'll get 12 pi bracket 3h square, which I got upon dh upon dt, because you can't differentiate those.
What are the constant terms over here? What are the constant terms?
12 pi.
12 pi should be kept outside. What is differentiating h cube by dt?
Is 3h square.
3h square into dh by dt. Agreed, students? Differentiating dh cube is equal to what? What's the formula? What's the formula I've used it over here? Y is equal to x raised to n, students. Dy by dx is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Yani 3 into h raised to 3 minus 1 into dh by dt. So can I put this back over here? Yes. 12 to मेरा constant आ गया. Differentiating h cube का आंसर क्या है, students? Listen carefully over here. This is 3h square into dh by dt. Is this clear to all the students who are inside this particular meeting? All the students, please. Students, is it clear to all the students?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. What about you, Ashmita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashmita, you're not answering, huh? Purvi, what about you, Purvi?
Yes, I got confused in some.
Okay.
That's why I'm seeing what I made.
Okay, but now you're getting it. Okay, what about Preeti? Vansh, what about you? Vansh, are you there? This is what it is. So, are you getting it?
Yes, sir, I'm getting it.
Okay, fine. Purvi said it yes. Please, students, the answers now. When you go for differentiate with respect to time, students, so differentiating क्या होगा? 12 pi is a constant, so constant terms cannot be differentiated. उसको मैंने बाहर निकाल दिया. Differentiating h cube by dt का क्या होगा? H n into x raised to n minus 1. So this becomes my answer. अभी यहाँ पे देखो, अगर मैं देखता हूँ dv by dt differentiating, तो क्या आंसर आ रहा है? सर ये आपका होगा 12 3s are 36 pi h square into dh by dt. Now can you read the question? हाँ sir, this is my required. ये तो पूछा गया है. क्या h दिया हुआ है? Yes sir, h is given in centimeter. Is your volume given to you? Yes, this is given in 12. See, this is dv by dt is given to you. So now can I substitute? This is 12. Can I take this 36 over here in the denominator? Yes. Can I take pi also in the denominator? Why not? Can I take h square also in the denominator? What is h given to you? 4. So can I say 4 square will be 16? Agreed. And that is equal to dh by dt. So what's my final answer? Therefore, dh by dt will be equal to what we consider. 12 3s are 36, students. 16 3s are 48. So can I say 1 upon 48 pi? Students, 1 upon 48 pi. Since it's dh by dt, it's height upon time, and that is in
Okay.
centimeter per second. So centimeter second.
Yes, sir.
This is clear
Okay.
to all people.
Understood, sir.
Hope this is clear to all the students inside the meeting. Students, is the audio and video fine with you all? Audio video sahi hai? Students?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Can I erase this?
Yes, sir, you can.
Okay. Now let us go for the sixth one. Please, those who haven't tried it out, still try it out. Parth, तेरे को तो पूछना ही भूल गया मैं. अच्छा. Wait a minute. 3h. But my dear, I wanted the ratio. I wanted to find out the rate at which the height is increasing. Path dh by dt पूछा था.
Yes, sir.
48 by denominator में आएगा. What you did is correct. Absolutely correct. तेरा भी वही आंसर आ रहा है. Correct.
Yes, sir.
तो पहला आंसर क्यों नहीं दिया पार्थ?
सर मैं सोच रहा था मेरा मेथड बराबर है कि नहीं, मतलब
नहीं correct. It's correct.
फिर आपने दिया इसलिए.
Okay, fine. Doesn't matter. See, doesn't matter, students. See, doesn't matter. Answer दो तो भी पता चलेगा कि सही हो कि गलत जा रहा करके. And see one thing. Those who respond, I have to ask to them. Those who said, "Mom, I can't ask to them." जो चुप बैठते हैं उनको मैं 10 दफे पूछूंगा, अगर नहीं रिप्लाई मिलता तो why should I then go on speaking about them? Those who respond, I will speak to them. That is how it is. Interaction goes with that only. Okay, let's go for the sixth one. Yes, anybody can give me the answer for the sixth one? Sixth question, Nishant has already posted his answer. What about others? Anybody who wants to answer? Okay, fine. I'll solve it for you all. Now listen carefully, students, for the sixth one. Now, students, listen carefully. Huh? They've given to you a man of height 2 meters. Okay. A man of height 2 meters, students, walks at a uniform speed of 5 kilometers per hour away from a lamppost, which is 6 meters high. So think as if this is a lamppost. Okay, this is 6 meters high. Okay, and it gives you light. Okay, 6 meters high, and the man is walking away from it. Okay, the man is walking away from the lamppost we consider at the rate of what we consider is 5 kilometers per hour. That means, can I say the man is, listen carefully, the man is along x-axis and the lamppost I can assume it to be along y-axis.
Yes, sir, you can take it.
That means the man is moving along x-axis. So can I say उन्होंने दिया है dx by dt दिया हुआ है. See, they've given to you that the man is moving along x-axis with a uniform speed. Can I say distance covered by unit time? Can I say that becomes speed?
Yes, sir, you can say.
And what is that we consider speed along x-axis? कितना दिया है? 5 kilometer per hour. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
Now,
so converting 5 kilometer per hour into meter per second for the
why? I don't want to change it. I want to keep it as it is. Okay. Later on we'll do about that. Okay.
Okay.
Let me keep it for the time being. Doesn't matter. Is that clear? Okay. Now the height of the man is 2 meters. We consider. Okay. This is 2 meters. This is 6 meters, students. Now, what is the next part they've given to you is find the rate at which find the rate at which the length of his shadow is increasing. Students, find the length. यानी ये जो है man यहाँ पे था students, यहाँ से वो motion हो रहा है. So this I can take it as dx we consider. अभी मुझे बताओ shadow क्या है? सर यहाँ से एक tangent draw करोगे, यहाँ से जो tangent draw करोगे, hitting the head. Can I say this becomes the length of the shadow? Agreed? Students, is this clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
The ray of light coming from the lamp will hit the head, will go tangentially. अगर suppose तुम रोड पे चलते हो तो एक tangential ray जाता है और will strike the ground, तो तुम्हें एक shadow मिलेगा. अगर तुम आगे की तरफ जा रहे हो तो तुम्हारा shadow भी तो आगे जा रहा है. For example, if I look at my hand, please look at the whiteboard also. Okay, look at the whiteboard and look at my hand in this case. Okay, if I move it in this case, see my shadow is also moving. If I move my hand, my shadow is also in motion. And yes, so the man was initially over here, students. The man was initially over here. The man started moving dx by dt in the forward direction. What about the length of the shadow? The length of the shadow also went on increasing. Let us say the length of the shadow, I'll take it as y.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. I'm taking this length of shadow to be as y. पूछा क्या उन्होंने? What is the question asked? Find the rate at which the length of the shadow increases. And then मुझे पूछा है dy by dt will be how much? क्या ये clear हुआ, students? Please, students, is this clear to all of you all? Now the answer is students. If you look at the diagram, students, can I say what kind of a triangle I'm getting at? Sir, it's a right angle triangle where you have two perpendiculars and we have a common angle. This is 2. This is 6. Agreed? Total will be x plus y. We consider this is x and this is y. Students, can I prove the two triangles to be similar? कौन सा? Suppose इसको लेता हूँ ABO and PQO are is triangle ABO similar to triangle PQO, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By which test? 8 tests of similarity. है ना? Each is 90 degree and common angle. Agreed to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now when we speak about the ratio, what exactly the ratio I'll try to put forward will be? Then how do you go for the ratio? The ratio क्या होगा, students? ध्यान से सुनना. AB. Look at the correspondence. AB upon PQ. Agreed? Is equal to BO. upon OQ. Corresponding sides of what? Similar triangle. क्या ये clear हुआ students?
Yes, sir.
Now what is AB given to you? How much is AB given to you? So this is 6. So what if it's in meter? कोई problem नहीं है, ratio में है, units cancel हो जाएगा. इसलिए so मैंने change नहीं किया unit को, मैंने इसको किलोमीटर पर आवर में रहने दिया क्योंकि मीटर कैंसिल हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. PQ क्या है? PQ 2 मीटर है, कैंसिल हो गया. BO is what? What exactly BO I'll consider will be x plus y. What exactly QO is? Simply y. क्या ये clear हुआ students? Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Now can I cross multiply? You'll say sir 6y is equal to 2x plus 2y. Therefore can I say 4y is equal to 2x? So can I say 2y is equal to x? क्या ये clear हुआ? इतना clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो क्या पूछा है, क्या पूछा है? The man is moving along x-axis at the rate of 5 kilometers per hour. यानी dx by dt दिया हुआ, dy by dt पूछा गया है, equation आया है y और x. Can I differentiate this with respect to time?
Yes, sir.
तो देखो differentiating, everybody listen carefully, differentiating to y with respect to dt, which is equal to differentiating dx by dt. कितना easy था, क्या ये rocket science था? Rocket science था. ध्यान से सुनना, यहाँ तक पूरा 10th standard का था स्टूडेंट्स, 10th स्टैंडर्ड का मैथ्स था. और तुम्हारा अगर तुमने ट्रिगो किया होगा, हाइट्स एंड डिस्टेंसेस के प्रॉब्लम्स, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स 10th स्टैंडर्ड में ट्रिगो में थे स्टूडेंट्स, कुछ याद आ रहा है? लैम्पोस के बोट सेलिंग इनटू सी
Yes, sir.
एंड देयर वाज अ लाइट लैम्प, आई गेटिंग इट, अ ट्री फॉलिंग, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू ट्रीज, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, दोस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर दीस. तो ये यहाँ तक तो पूरा तुम्हारा मैथ्स ही है, कहाँ पे भी फिजिक्स नहीं आ रहा है. हेलो, ये पूरा मैथ्स है, ये कुछ फिजिक्स नहीं है. डोंट ब्लेम दैट माय फिजिक्स इज टफ स्टूडेंट्स, ये पूरा मैथ्स है, यहाँ तक पूरा मैथ्स है. अभी यहाँ पे भी अभी वापस तुम डिफरेंशिएट मैथ्स ही कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे भी मैथ्स ही कर रहे हो, लेकिन इसको में यूज कर रहे हैं. तो देखो डिफरेंशिएटिंग 2y by dt, कैन आई से 2 कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा, तो देयरफॉर कैन आई से 2 बाहर निकाल दूंगा, dy by dt is equal to dx by dt. नाउ लुक ओवर हियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्या दिया हुआ है तुम्हें? अरे सर dx by dt दिया हुआ है ना? पूछा क्या है? अरे सर आंसर आ गया, dy by dt is equal to dx by dt, that is 5 divided by 2. What's my answer? Is this clear? 2.5 kilometers per hour. Students, क्या ये question clear हुआ सबको? All the students inside this particular group?
Yes, sir.
Rank is 37. Hope all the 37 students have got it. Come on, Akash, Alisha, Ansh, Arman, Ashmita. Ashmita getting it?
Yes, understood. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Parth. Riya, what about you, Riya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ritesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shubham. Chom.
Yes,
Sir, can you explain the last part again, sir?
Yes, sir.
dy by dt part, can you explain again? The last part.
Pardon. What happened? What happened? Who's this?
Can you explain the last part again, sir? After 2y is equal to x part, can you explain the last steps?
Which one? यानी मैंने differentiate किया है.
हाँ, differentiation वाला part.
मैंने differentiate किया है. इसको differentiate किया मैंने last part को. यानी two constant है. बस. और ये दिया हुआ, ये पूछा गया है. देखना values दिए हैं.
dy 2 times dy by dt is equal to dx by dt. And then, sir, how can you say that 5 by 2? Then dy by dt is 5 by 2. How can you say that? If you only know this.
हे भगवान मुझे उठा ले. हे भगवान मुझे उठा ले. So you don't feel pity onto me.
Oh, why, sir? What happened?
dx by dt कितना है?
Okay. Understood, sir. Understood.
इसलिए मैं ईश्वर को बोलता हूँ मुझे उठा ले. Okay, so
Understood. Sorry, sir.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. See one thing, students, something to learn from this guy. What's his name? Soham, na? Tera naam Soham hai na?
Yes, sir. Soham.
See one thing, students, it's something to learn from him also. See one thing, when I tell him something, he's not feeling anything bad, and I'm not telling anything too personal in that case. मैंने बोला मुझे उठा, okay? Again, then too also he's asking questions. Students, he's not running away from that. ये ध्यान में रखो. पढ़ाई के मामले में selfish रहो. और ये बंदा, I'm happy that he is very selfish. I really appreciate his parents, the way he has put forward to them. He is very proper in that. थोड़ा सा selfish बनो ना पढ़ाई के मामले में. नहीं समझ में आया तो नहीं समझ में आया, बोलो बिंदास. ज्यादा क्या होगा, मेरे मुंह से 2 स्टेटमेंट और निकलेंगे ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. I'll try to take 1 minute 2 minute more in that case, doesn't matter. लेकिन एक्सप्लेनेशन करके लो, लेकिन उसके बाद में गलतियां वापस मत करना. सो हम तू क्या करना, मतलब वापस उसका गलतियां करता है वो मत कर. ओके, बाद में उसको रेक्टिफाई करके फिर होना चाहिए कि चलो अभी ऐसी गलतियां नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके,
Yes.
कैन आई इरेज दिस स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir. You can erase it.
Okay, now everybody solve same exercise, question number 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 अभी क्यों दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा इनसे ट्रिकी है. लेकिन अभी मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 करवाया, ध्यान से सुनना. एक्सरसाइज 3 की बात कर रहा हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 करवाया, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करवाया, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 करवाया, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 करवाया, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 करवाया. यानी 5 क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं. तो किसी भी हाल में जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आउट ऑफ 39 स्टूडेंट्स, maximum students should try to get the 4th one by yourself, and I want that thing to happen. Okay, solve everybody question number 4 also right now, same exercise.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Purvi, Ashmita, Riya.
Solving right now, sir.
Okay. Soham knows everything, who is doing what. Very good. Yes, anybody? Enough hint I've given students. Anybody who is getting the answer? Okay, but all of you are getting this, but is it with positive sign or negative sign? अगर तुम correct approach रखोगे तो मुझे बताओ, does the top of the ladder goes up or the top of the ladder is coming down? Positive and decreasing. How can I say the height is decreasing? Okay, 3 students have posted. Yes, Mayank. Yes, Mayank. Mayank, you are a new student or what?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. First time I've answered. Okay, students, let's discuss. Anybody wants to speak about the solution?
Okay.
Carry on. Tell me.
So we said that there's a ladder placed against the wall
Mm-hmm.
and its length is 5 meters.
Okay, so AC is 5 meter.
Yeah. So then what we do is by Pythagoras Theorem, x square plus y square is equal to the hypotenuse. So we just write the same thing. X square plus y square is equal to 5 square, which is 25.
Very good. Now see, y square plus x square, he's saying it is equal to 5 square. So y square plus x square is equal to 25. That's theorem of Pythagoras, students. So this BC is taking it as x, AB is taking it as y, and AC is taking as 5, which is given to you. Okay, now.
Okay, then what we do is we find what's the value of y. Y is equal to root 25 minus x square.
Okay.
And then we differentiate that with time.
Okay. And what is given to you? Is the base of the ladder is pulled?
Yeah.
It is pulled. So what exactly
Yeah.
the displacement of the base with respect to time? How much is the displacement of the base by how much?
By 2 centimeters per second.
Okay, that is 2 centimeter per second. Students, 2 centimeter per second. यानी students जब भी मैं point C को पीछे की तरफ खींचूंगा, sorry, point C को मैं आगे की तरफ खींचूंगा, can I say ये tip of the ladder will fall down?
Yeah.
No, students, the ladder is in this manner. जैसे जैसे C इस तरफ जाएगा, C ऐसे होगा. What about A also का position change हो जाएगा? उन्होंने student क्या पूछा मालूम है? dH by dt. The rate at which the tip of the ladder is falling down. यानी dH by dt पूछा गया है, dx by dt दिया हुआ है, dH by dt पूछा गया है, dx by dt दिया हुआ है, सामने इक्वेशन आ गया, तुरंत तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्लिक होना चाहिए, अरे यार ये तो x square plus y square, अगर मैं इसको डिफरेंशिएट करता हूं तो मुझे आंसर मिल जाएगा. तो लेट अस गो फॉर इट. डिफरेंशिएट both sides with respect to time. So can I say differentiating y square with respect to dt plus differentiating x square with respect to dt, differentiating 25 with respect to dt. So what is differentiating y square? 2y into dy by dt plus 2x into dx by dt. Friends, ये clear हुआ? Differentiating constant will be 0. What did Nishan did it? What did Nishan ने क्या किया मालूम है? उसने y को सब्जेक्ट बना दिया, 25 को इस तरफ ले लिया, रूट में ले लिया. He made y as a subject. He made y as a subject because the question was asked in terms of y. Agreed? Friends, क्या ये clear हुआ तुम्हें?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear? Now stand still, students. Is your dy by dt? Students, listen carefully. Is your dy by dt is nothing but dh by dt? The rate at which this point is falling on, can I say dy by dt is nothing but dh by dt? क्या ये
Yes, sir,
clear
if we
हुआ?
assume that the right angle point is 0 by 0, we can assume that height is the y-axis.
Yes.
And the other thing is the x-axis. We can assume that.
Yes, of course. Assume नहीं है ना, height is I'll consider as y along y-axis. 2x into dx by dt. क्या ये clear हुआ अभी expression?
Yes, sir.
Now
So we
now
that
I
2y.
done like this in the beginning, but then I got confused. I just done the y version.
Yes, that's what you took it on the y-axis. I got to know about it. Okay, now listen carefully, students. What exactly I've given to you? The given to you is what, students, listen carefully. Okay, how fast is the height on the wall decreasing? यानी ये पूछा गया. Okay, when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall, that means x is given to us how much? 4 meters. Students, when x is 4 meters, this is 5 meters. What exactly the value of y you will get it as? Students?
Sorry, I found it out only. You
This
said
is
the
5 meters. This is 5 meters. This is 4 meters. So what's the value of this will be how much?
3 meter.
By theorem of Pythagoras. So can I say my value of y is equal to 3 meters and y is equal to h? क्या ये clear हुआ सबको by theorem of Pythagoras?
Yes, sir.
How you got 4 meter? X is equal to 4 meter.
Pardon?
How do you get x is equal to 4 meter?
dx by dt is equal to 2.
Given that, no, it's given to you. Read the question. How fast is the height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall? The foot of the ladder was at a distance of 4 meters from the wall. Are you getting it? This is a wall. The vertical is a wall. And the ladder is in this manner. The foot was initially at 4 meters. फिर उसको मैं खींचना शुरू कर दे रहा हूँ. तो अगर ये 4 मीटर था, ये 5 मीटर था, तो ये कितना होगा? ये 3 मीटर होगा. So do I know h is 3? Yes. 2 into 3. What is the question asked? With what rate it's falling down? So dh by dt question mark. Plus 2 into how much is the horizontal distances? 4. How much is dx by dt given to you? It's 2 centimeter. Agreed? Is this clear to all of your students?
Yes, sir. So, sir, if we substitute the value of 2x as 4 and dx by dt, we can find value of dh by dt. We can find easily.
Yes.
It will come in negative.
Nishant, what exactly you did it?
So first way I done like this, but then I got confused somewhere, and then I started with the y version. And from y is equal to root 25 minus x square, and then you differentiate that. And you'll get the answer.
Okay. लेकिन एक ध्यान में रखना स्टूडेंट्स, अभी ध्यान से सुनना स्टूडेंट्स, एवरीबॉडी बी विथ मी। ये दिया है मीटर में, ये भी दिया है मीटर में, and see dh by dt is given in centimeters per second. Students, don't you think so? There is a problem mistake. Answer is not proper. Do everybody agree with that?
Yes.
अगर सपोज ध्यान से सुना, अगर सपोज मैं इसको 2 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड लेता हूँ, हेलो स्टूडेंट, तो ये मेरा सेंटीमीटर, ये सपोज अगर ये 4 मीटर की जगह पे मैं उसको 4 सेंटीमीटर लेता हूँ, ये भी सेंटीमीटर लेता हूँ, ये भी सेंटीमीटर, देन माय आंसर इज फाइन। ये देखो 6 dh by dt plus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 we consider is equal to 0. So what exactly? dh by dt is equal to minus 16 by 6, 2 8s are and 2 3s are. What's my answer for dh by dt? Is my answer minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. ये कभी होगा centimeter per second, students? When exactly it will be in centimeter per second, students, we consider? Should I convert this also in centimeter? Should I keep it in meter?
Keep in meter.
Keep it in meter only. No need to change. ये भी ratio में ही आ रहा है. Students, समझ में आ रहा है? Don't get confused with the units at all. The answer will be in centimeter per second only.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है students? देखो ध्यान से
Centimeter per
देखो.
second.
Yeah,
Answer is in
centimeter
km per second.
Pardon?
Sir, answer is in which unit? Centimeter or meter per second?
Centimeter per second only you get one answer.
Okay.
Is this clear? यानी students, no need to change the unit at all, because जब भी तुम इसको इस तरफ लोगे तो ये negative में आ जाएगा. Negative upon this, your meter and meter will get cancelled. Your answer will be in terms of what? Centimeter per second itself only. So students, no need to change. Don't get confused with the units at all. You have 5 meter, you have 4 meter, and this has to be 3 meter itself only, students. Is that clear? Your answer will be 8 by 3 centimeter per second. What does negative sign show, students? Negative sign क्या कर रहा है? That speaks about that point is falling down. Students, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So once again, I'm solving this part of it. Students, listen carefully. Everybody, listen carefully. This is 2 into 3 we consider. Okay, let me take this as 6 meter. I'm putting with units, okay? Because this was in meter only. dh by dt is equal to 0. It was on the other side, was equal to 0, we consider. Okay, let me take this on the other side. Yoga 4 2s are 8. This is minus 8 meter into 2 centimeter per second. What is dh by dt? Minus 8 meter upon 6 meter, 2 centimeter per second. Meter will get cancelled. 2 3s are.
Can
2
you
4s are.
shift the screen?
Okay, very sorry.
Camera little.
Very sorry. 4 2s are 8. So it's minus 8 by 3. See, students, yani, don't get confused with the unit, students, because we're speaking with respect to ratio. तो अगर तुम रेशियो देखोगे, ध्यान से देखना, ये मीटर में था स्टूडेंट्स, ये मीटर में था 3 मीटर, तो ये 6 मीटर हो गया. ये 4 मीटर था तो 4 2 ये 8 मीटर हो गया, उसको मैंने इस तरफ ले लिया. ये देखो मीटर और मीटर कैंसिल हो गया. So what is the answer? Minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second, students. What exactly negative sign shows? That the tip of the ladder is dropping down. It's sliding down the wall. क्या ये question clear हुआ to all the students inside this group? Yes or no? Come on, reply fast. Any confusion?
No.
Anything to ask? Sure. Ashmita,
Yeah.
what about you? You
Yeah.
were saying something? Ashmita, now it's clear
No.
with you?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So please, students, once again, I'll speak about it. You want me to redo this part? You want me to resolve this part? Huh, students?
Yes, sir.
I'll resolve it once. I'll resolve it. Answers in the students, okay? Now I'll put along with the units. It was a good question, students. That's why. Now listen carefully, students. It is said that when you try to pull the base of the ladder in this direction, the tip of the ladder which is resting onto the wall is going to slide down. Now, if x is equal to 4, hypotenuse is equal to 5 meter. If x is equal to 4 meter, and they have given to you, students, उन्होंने दिया है that the base of the ladder is the distance of 4. और ये 5 meter है, तो can I say where by Pythagoras I can get this is 3 meter? क्या ये clear हुआ? Agreed? And y is equal to my height, that is 3 meter, and that's the height of the wall. Now, the answer sooner, students. When I'm trying to pull point C in this direction, can I say my point A will drop down? Now see, my ladder will be in this manner. Ladder ऐसे हो जाएगा. यानी जैसे मैं C को खींचूंगा, ये मेरा पॉइंट नीचे की तरफ आएगा. तो उन्होंने ये दिया है स्टूडेंट्स, dx by dt दिया है. कितना दिया है? 2 centimeter per second. What they're telling you to find out? They are telling you to find out dy by dt, that is dh by dt. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको क्वेश्चन? Students, is this
Yes,
clear? Now you've got Pythagoras already. You've got the answer, students. You're gonna y square plus x square is equal to 25. तुम y को सब्जेक्ट बना के भी कर सकते हो. यानी 25 minus x square is to the power of half, and then you can use your differentiation. या तुम differentiate दोनों तरफ करोगे तो what is that differentiating y square with respect to dt is differentiating x square with respect to dt is equal to differentiating 25 with respect to dt. What's differentiating y square we consider? So what's my answer? 2 into y dy by dt plus 2 into x dx by dt is equal to constant will be 0. Y के जगह पे now I'm putting it as h because my y is equal to h. dy by dt की जगह पे can I put dh by dt? Yes. Plus 2 into x into dx by dt is equal to 0. Agree, students? Now when I put over here, what exactly h? Now I'm putting it with unit.
Yes.
Students, 2 into. How much is the h we consider? H is given to us how much? Y, that is 3 meter. dh by dt पूछा गया है. Can I take this entire expression on the right hand side? तो minus में आ जाएगा. 2. What is x given to me? So x is given to me as 4 meter. Into dx by dt is how much? 2 centimeter per second. Can I get my answer for dh by dt? Yes. dh by dt, if I consider, then it will be minus 2 into 4 meter into 2 centimeter per second. The whole divided by 2 into 3 meter, students. देखो 2 into is getting cancelled. Meter also gets getting cancelled. What's my answer? ये clear हुआ? Students, what is the negative sign shows? That point is dropping down. That means the tip of the ladder is coming down with a speed of 8 centimeter in 1 second. Negative sign shows motion downwards. Negative sign shows motion downwards, students. क्या ये clear हुआ to all the students?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Nan Gopal, are you there, Nan Gopal? Nangopal, are you there? Students, can I erase this? इसको erase कर दो अभी.
The next which question?
Pardon?
Next is question or and then
No,
question?
no, can I erase this? Can I erase this?
Oh yeah, you can have it.
Okay. Now we go for students, the questions for differentiation from the exercise part also. And students, you should know the formulas very clear. Constant wale, are you getting it? Then k into x wale, then u plus v plus or minus v wale, u into v quotient rule, the we consider as your product rule. This all things you should know it. Differentiating sine theta is plus cos theta, differentiating cos theta is minus sine theta. Please do keep in mind. Differentiating e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay, ln x is 1 by x. ये सब कुछ ध्यान में रखना. अभी हम प्रॉब्लम्स करने वाले. जिसको फॉर्मूलाज मालूम होगा वो क्रैक कर सकेगा. I'm telling you very clearly. Okay, ये सारे वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है only with respect to differentiating with respect to time or with respect to position. Then you see, think students, what kind of a question it was? क्या क्वेश्चन क्या था? यानी ये सोचना जरूरी है. एक सिंपल डे टू डे लाइफ में हो रहा है. वॉल है, लैडर है, कोई मस्ती कर रहा है, उस लैडर को रोप से बांध के खींच रहा है 2 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड. उसी टाइम पर अगर तुम्हारे पापा ने तो पूछा बेटा ऊपर वाला पॉइंट नीचे कितनी स्पीड से जा रहा है, देखो ना, that's what it's. You see it's in motion. You see that the tip is in motion, but how to do the calculations of that? This is what the field of science is. So you need to understand how. और जितने भी हम लोग ने क्वेश्चंस किए सारे प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन वाले हैं. डे टू डे लाइफ में सारे हो रहे हैं. अरे नल में से अगर कहाँ पे कोई फ्लो हो रहा है, सैंड का ढेर हो रहा है करके, तो वो फ्लो कर रहा है, तो जो निकलेगा वो पूरा सैंड एक हीप फॉर्म करेगा ना, तो क्या रेट से वो ऊपर आएगा. ऑल द थिंग्स इज देयर इनटू इट. सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, so let's go for your questions related to differentiation. Okay. Now, friends, in case if I happen to give you a question, please pay attention. I want you to differentiate this one, please. Y is equal to, students, you have to give an answer for this, okay? X raised to 2 plus 5, x raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 by x. My question is differentiate dy by dx. Solve this fast and give me the answer, please. I'm just giving you only 2 minutes. Is the question clear to all of y'all? Students, is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
The question is what, students? Y is equal to x square plus 5x raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 by x, differentiate dy by dx. Get me the answer for this. All 38 students are please. And one who finishes first raising hand will start discussing. Okay, I'm not going to wait for others. And now please all of you will start getting answers. Yes, Nishant is so fast. Bolo Nishant, chalo bolo. Nishant smart है, greedy है. निशान बोले कि जितना मैं फास्ट आंसर दूंगा उतना ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होंगे. ऑफ कोर्स वैसे ही होना चाहिए. क्या बोलो निशान, चलो.
So we have to differentiate. So first, what we do is dx2 upon dx, then we are just separating them because that was addition.
Which method are we using? Are we using sum and difference method, sum and difference method, quotient method, product rule? What exactly are you trying to go for?
Sum and difference method. Sorry.
Here is u plus or minus v. So differentiating u separate and differentiating v separate. Absolutely correct. He gave the answer correct. Now the answer is in the students. If I want to differentiate dy by dx, so can I say dy by dx? 3 students. पहले few questions मैं थोड़ा सा step wise करूंगा, सारे steps बताऊंगा मैं, 2-3 प्रॉब्लम का मैं पूरा सॉल्व करूंगा, उसके बाद में थोड़ा थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ाना जरूरी है स्टूडेंट्स, ये ध्यान में रखना। So initially I'm going very slowly. Okay, dy by dx आई, तुम क्या करो सर, dy by dx यानी पूरा टर्म आया है तो इसको पूरा ले लो ना, अपॉन dx, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, यानी ये x को यहाँ पे लिखो प्लस 5x लिखो प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स रेज टू माइनस 1 लिखो। स्टूडेंट्स 2 बाय x यानी कहने से x रेज टू माइनस 1। स्टूडेंट्स क्लियर, ये बात क्लियर है? Now if I say dy by dx u plus or minus v, so can I write on differentiating x square separate by dx plus differentiating 5, oh sorry, x raised to 3 by 2 is there, x raised to 3 by 2 by dx plus differentiating 2x raised to minus 1 by dx. Is this clear? Is this clear to all of you all? Students, do reply yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you don't reply, then it's of no use. You're trying to create problems for yourself. Try to figure out right now and try to understand. कहाँ पे भी तुम्हें confusion होता है, ask me, please. Okay, is that clear? Now further moving ahead. dy by dx. Now the formula comes. Differentiating x square. And students, what's the formula? I'm putting the formula over here, students. अगर y is equal to x raised to n दिया हुआ है students, what's the formula for dy by dx? तो क्या होगा?
n minus 1.
Yes. तो now can I say, इसी को मैं सॉल्व करूंगा, x स्क्वायर क्या होगा? So this is 2 x raised to 2 minus 1. पीछे का पोर्शन dx by dx will get cancelled. तो वो मैं नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, नहीं लिखूंगा मैं, यहाँ पे भी I can consider dx by dx will get cancelled. I'm not going to write on that. फिर latter part plus 5x raised to 3 by 2. Students, is 5 a constant? Is 5 a constant?
It's a constant.
Can I remove 5? तो बचा क्या? बचा क्या? So differentiating, cancel करना, differentiating x raised to 3 by 2 by dx. Students, can you solve this by using the same formula?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can solve
Yes,
this.
sir.
5
क्या
into
होगा?
3 by 2
3 by 2
into x 3 by 2 minus 1.
Very good. You're such an intelligent stuff.
So it will be 5. It will be 15. It will be 15 by 2 root x.
बाद में आगे वाला बच्चा है, वो बुरा मान जाएगा। So हम इसको सॉरी बोल।
D 2x minus 1. It will be.
इसको सॉरी बोल, पहले इसको सॉरी बोल।
Sorry.
तो इसको सॉल्व कर रही है, बुरा मानेगा ना? सॉरी बोल, ऐसे नहीं करने का, नहीं तो तेरा प्रॉब्लम पूरा गलत करवा देगा वो। ओके ओके, सो ओके, सबको साथ में लेके चलते हैं, हम सबको साथ में लेके चलते हैं। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, differentiating 2x raised to minus 1. Okay, can I remove 2 constant? Yes. देखो स्टूडेंट क्या होगा मालूम है? Differentiating x raised to minus 1 by dx. So can I say same relation? n यानी minus 1 x raised to n minus 1. Students, minus 1 minus 1. Students, formula क्या है? n into x raised to n minus 1. Your n is minus 1. So minus 1 x raised to minus 1 आ गया, into dx by dx cancel हो जाएगा।
Yes. इसलिए mistake हो रहा था हमें।
ये clear हुआ सबको? And mind you students, those students are still sitting right now into the lectures and thinking, Mama, I'm not able to get it. Mama, I'm not able to get it. To those particular students' parents, I want to say, parents, your kids were least bothered to learn the formulas. The kids were least bothered to write down the formulas at least 5, 10 times. Now tell me students, how many students have listed those formulas on the study table right now? You want the study table only? Raise your hands. How many of you have put the formulas in front of you? Raise your hands. How many students have put down the formulas? And I want you to show the camera also. I want to put on the camera also and show me the formulas one by one. Okay, Nishant, Purvi, Ashmita. 3 students have only put it. What about the rest of them? Formulas.
I have a doubt.
Yes, bolo.
Can we use quotient rule for the last one? I used quotient rule on the answer.
Pardon?
The last one, 2 upon x, d2 upon x, I use quotient rule. Is it allowed? Okay.
Which
Because
one?
you use, yeah, that one I use quotient rule because you use x minus 1, right?
Huh. So you use
Rather
U by
than
V method. You use U by V method.
yeah.
But since 2 is a constant in that case, you can consider, but that becomes a tedious, my dear. It becomes a tedious process. The answer, what answer will be getting it? -2 upon x square.
I got -2 upon divided by x square. I just put it up.
You
And
will get the same answer. You'll get the same answer.
Yeah.
You'll get the same answer, but that becomes a lengthier process. Doesn't matter. It's correct. It's correct. Okay, Shlok. Shlok, you are only saying it, na? Shlok, you only asked, isn't it?
No, this is Nishant.
Okay, fine. Nishant, you asked. Okay, fine. Okay, students, I want to know how many of you have written the formulas. Chalo. Raise your hands. I want to see. There were 3 students only. Nishant, Alishan, somebody else was also there. How many students have written the formula? Nishant, Ashmita. What about others? Purvi. Anybody else? See? Put your hands down. Just 3 students. And when I made it very clear, अगर इसको strong बनाना है, formulas को रट्टा होना चाहिए tables की जैसे. You are interacting with me after so many days, students. You know that? So by this time you should know it. अभी देखो मैं एक प्रॉब्लम करूंगा, दूसरा करूंगा, तीसरा करूंगा, तो तुम्हारे लिए क्या होगा? It becomes a burden. अगर तुम नहीं इसको करोगे तो. Now see, just now it seems Nishant only said it in that case. Sir, I use U by V method, quotient rule. See, he used this way of approach because he knew the formula. तो यहाँ पे तुम ट्राई कर सकते हो ना अलग अलग वे से. क्या तुम्हारा आंसर आ रहा है? तुम्हारा और कंसेप्ट क्लियर होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाई डोंट यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? एंड देन व्हेन द एग्जाम्स आर गोइंग टू कम, यू विल क्राई ऑन टू इट कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्कोर. फिर पूरा ब्लेम डाल दोगे IITian हब के ऊपर कि हमें समझ में नहीं आता है. dy by dx is equal to, students, 2x plus 5 is 15 by 2, x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. So x raised to what will be? 1 by 2. Plus into minus 2, x raised to minus 2. So what's my final answer? 2x plus 15 upon 2 root x minus 2 upon x square. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? Students, is it clear to all of you all? Please say yes or no now. Please now तो reply करो और सामने formula लिखा हुआ है.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Gain confidence, students. और confidence कैसे gain करोगे? Confidence कैसे gain करोगे? Without doing studies, without going through the formulas. Last lecture बैठे थे. सुबह के टाइम पे भी सपोज मामा ने पापा ने चिल्लाया होगा तो आप 15-20 मिनट से वैसे देख के गो थ्रू कर दिए. Are you that much indigenous? कि 15-20 मिनट या आधा घंटे में पूरे सारे फॉर्मूलास तुम्हारे दिमाग में आ जाएंगे? Students, it's 11th standard की स्टडीज है. साइंस की स्टडीज है वो भी 11th. It's not your school level studies now. तुम्हारी जो स्कूल लेवल की स्टडीज थी that was all of lower level. भी तुम्हें रियलाइज होता होगा अरे हाँ यार वहाँ पे तो बहुत लोअर लेवल की स्टडीज होती थी. यहाँ पे तो बहुत बड़ा हम गैप क्रिएट कर रहे, यानी हम जंप मार रहे, बड़ा सा जंप मार रहे. तो उसको जंप मारने के लिए थोड़ा सा वर्किंग तो करो. उसके बाद सोचो तो सही. अब बिना पढ़े स्टूडेंट्स कुछ नहीं आएगा. I'm telling you very clearly. बिना उसको formulas go through किए you will not be able to crack a single problem. I have no problems. I'll just go on solving problems. मैं तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करूंगा. यहाँ पे बेनिफिट किसको हो रहा है? मुझे बताओ बेनिफिट किसको हो रहा है? सिर्फ ये 4 या 5 जो फॉर्मूलास लर्न करके बैठे उनको. टेक इट फ्रॉम मी, दिस इज अ फैक्ट. बाकी सारे मम बैठे हुए और फिर ब्लेम डाल देंगे. वी आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. आई वांट द पेरेंट्स टू लिसन टू मी. हेडफोन्स निकालो एंड लेट द पेरेंट्स आल्सो लिसन टू योर They should check your books. Parents should check your books right now also in front of me in my lectures. Students, बच्चों दिखाओ तुमने formulas लिखे 5 दफे. सारे parents को भी देखना चाहिए right now. Okay, next question. Now this is a good one. Huh? ये question अच्छा वाला. Let's see how many people can crack it. Okay. ध्यान से फॉर्मूला जिसको आएगा वो क्रैक कर सकेगा और जिसको रूल पता है वो क्रैक कर सकेगा, बाकी कोई नहीं कर सकेगा. बाकी सारे छापने बैठे जाएंगे बस. We'll just go on blindly writing. Okay. Another question is students. If y is equal to students e raised to x ln x ln x. My question to you is find dy by dx. Chalo, get me the answer for this. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Very good.
I have
So you answered दे दिया. Soham, you finished?
Finished, sir.
और गलत होगा
तो I don't know.
तो punishment सबको chocolate.
ठीक है, जब when the lockdown will be, when we'll gather physically तब chocolate मिलेगा.
नहीं कुछ चाहिए नहीं, किसी को कुछ नहीं चाहिए. तू घाई करता है, ध्यान सुन. तू घाई करता है, घाई में गलतियां करता है, इसलिए मैं तेरे को चॉकलेट का पनिशमेंट दे रहा हूँ. यानी अभी तू सोच समझ के आंसर देना. तूने हाथ उठाया है. ओके, प्लीज डू आंसर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, कैरी ऑन. चलो बोलो.
तो sir, we know that y is equal to e raised to x ln x. dy by dx we have to find. So by chain rule we will say e raised to x into ln x we'll find over here. So it will be x e raised to x minus 1 into 1 upon x. ln x by dx by d is 1 upon x. So answer will be e raised to x minus 1.
My dear, e raised to x is one term. Hello, ln x is another term. You
Yes,
have
sir.
2 different terms. So
Yes,
ये
sir.
होगा u into v में
Product rule
क्या होगा?
Yes, sir. U into v only I did.
तो u into v में क्या आएगा? y is equal to, okay, so वापस बोल. y into u into v यानी क्या किया तूने पहले?
Sir, तो I used so for u I did x e raised to x minus 1 for the left
Okay,
part.
first you will keep u constant.
Yeah.
Differentiate ln x
1 upon x
plus
plus v constant.
So that is ln x constant.
ln x constant and into d of e raised to x.
Now
So for left hand side we will get e raised to x into 1 upon x.
Into 1 upon x plus.
Yes, sir. Plus ln x will plus it will be ln x into x e raised to x minus 1.
किसने बोला what is differentiating? Students, what is differentiating e raised to x?
E raised to x.
देखा मैंने बोला तू 110% गलतियां करेगा. और ये क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर्मूला है कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, formula.
सबको पता है कि तू गलती करेगा, तो हम ऐसे मत कर. इसलिए तेरे को वार्न किया था पहले कि शांति से ध्यान से आंसर दे. ये तुम्हारा आंसर हो जाएगा. Students, what is method is u into v. Students, keeping u constant, differentiate v. Keeping v constant, differentiate u. आ गया. Differentiating e raised to x is dx, and differentiating ln x is 1 by x. Is this clear, students? Can I erase this, students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. Now suppose if I give you if y, please pay attention, ध्यान से करना students. If y is equal to x square plus 2x upon 3x minus 4, find dy by dx. Give me the answer. 2 minutes. Nishant had posted the answer for the previous one.
Done.
Very good. Yes, answer.
So I got the answer 3x squared minus 8x minus 8
Which method are you using?
upon
Which method are you using it?
quotient rule.
Absolutely correct. So dy by dx will be equal to what? Differentiating.
You have to differentiate. You get bracket 3x minus 4 bracket close, then d bracket x square plus 2x bracket upon dx. That's the first
Okay,
one.
so
Then
divide by
minus
dx.
x square.
Okay, what's the formula? What's the formula of u by v method? Suppose if I give you the formula, chalo, I give you y is equal to u by v. What exactly your dy by dx का method क्या होगा? What exactly the formula?
v du upon dx minus u d v upon dx divided by the whole thing upon v square.
Very good. This is the formula. सुन जिसको फॉर्मूला आएगा वो भी कर सकेगा. अभी देखो ये u है और ये v है. He said it very correctly. तो पहले क्या करो, v को कांस्टेंट रखो तो 3x minus 4 आ जाएगा. डिफरेंशिएट किसको करो, u को करो. ये न्यूमरेटर का, फिर माइनस साइन, कीप u कांस्टेंट यानी x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x कांस्टेंट. डिफरेंशिएट किसको करोगे, 3x minus 4 by dx upon v square, that means 3x minus 4 the whole square. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, students. I'm using students u by v method quotient rule. Absolutely. So Apnil is also putting forward his answer. यानी students formula क्या है? Keeping v constant, differentiating u. So keeping v constant, differentiating u minus keeping u constant, differentiating v upon v square. Now let us solve this part. That is equal to what? Sir ये तो 3x minus 4 ही रहेगा. Sir differentiating x square plus 2x यानी ये u plus v method होगा students. यानी differentiating x square plus 2x by dx, तो स्टूडेंट्स ये तो u plus v मेथड हुआ. तो इसको तुम कैसे करोगे? तो तुम करोगे से differentiating x square by dx plus differentiating 2x by dx. These students I'm solving with you like small babies. छोटे बच्चों को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं वैसे कर रहा हूं मैं चाहता तो डायरेक्ट आंसर. निशांत वगैरह अदर स्टूडेंट्स डायरेक्ट आंसर्स वो लिखेंगे, वो लोग तुरंत डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे आंसर्स क्योंकि उनको पता है फॉर्मूलाज. ये किसके लिए लिख रहा हूँ? Those students who haven't learned the formulas. This is the last time I'm putting in this particular manner. इसके बाद में मैं डायरेक्ट आंसर्स लिखूंगा और प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होगी तुम्हारे लिए. I'm warning you all these things because you all haven't learned formulas, and without learning formulas, you're coming into the lectures. Now differentiating x square. So x raised to n, what's the formula? So x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. यानी 1 हो जाएगा. प्लस सर ये 2 कांस्टेंट होगा, dx by dt तो कैंसिल होगा. अरे सर यानी इसका आंसर जब भी आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे तो यहाँ पे 2x plus 2 लिखोगे. यस. फिर ये पूरा एक में आएगा. हाँ सर ये पूरा एक में आएगा. फिर क्या है? माइनस साइन. अभी हम किसको कांस्टेंट रखेंगे? x square plus 2x को कांस्टेंट रखेंगे. नाउ डिफरेंशिएट दिस पार्ट. तो देखो अभी मैं इसको सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. डिफरेंशिएटिंग 3x minus 4 by dx. सर ये u plus v मेथड था, ये u minus v मेथड है. इसको सेपरेटली करते हैं. डिफरेंशिएटिंग d 3x by dx minus डिफरेंशिएटिंग 4 by dx. अब मुझे बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, डिफरेंशिएटिंग 3x का मतलब 3 कांस्टेंट आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? बाहर आ जाएगा. dx by dx क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Differentiating for students a constant. Can you differentiate a constant?
You'll get 0.
0 minus 0. तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 3 minus 0. यानी स्टूडेंट्स ये डायरेक्टली 3 minus 0 लिखते हैं. ये ब्रैकेट क्लोज हो गया. डिनोमिनेटर अभी तुम्हारा क्या है? 3x minus 4 the whole square. यानी is this part clear to all of you? Then I'll move further. स्टूडेंट्स
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन रूल के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स कहाँ पे गलतियां करते हैं? फॉर्मूला नहीं रिमेम्बर करते, वहां पे गलतियां करते हैं. पहली बात तो उनको फॉर्मूला ही नहीं आता है, इसलिए वहीं गड़बड़ शुरू हो जाती है. चलो फॉर्मूला आ भी गया, लेकिन उस फॉर्मूला के अंदर भी दूसरे फॉर्मूलाज आते हैं ना. ये देखो ना, u प्लस वी मेथड आया, u माइनस वी मेथड आया. अगर ये भी तुम्हें नहीं आएगा तो और गड़बड़ शुरू हो गई. यानी तुम्हारे प्रॉब्लम्स के ऊपर और प्रॉब्लम्स आ गए. फिर तुम ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स छोड़ दोगे एग्जामिनेशंस में, बोलोगे कि हमें नहीं आता है, हमें नहीं समझ में आता है, ऐसे बोलोगे. नहीं आता है ऐसे नहीं. कभी कोई स्टूडेंट ऐसे नहीं बोलता है कि मामा मैंने प्रैक्टिस नहीं की थी, मैंने फॉर्मुलास में नहीं लिखे इसलिए मुझे आता है. सारे क्या बोलते हैं? हमें समझ में ही नहीं आता. लेक्चर्स भी खुद मिस करते हैं और फिर बोलेंगे आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, लेकिन रीजन नहीं बताएंगे. बिकॉज आई हैव मिस्ड आउट लेक्चर्स, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम विद द स्टूडेंट्स. प्लीज यूज ऑनलाइन मोड इन अ प्रॉपर मैनर. उसका सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल करो तो बहुत आगे जाओगे स्टूडेंट्स. तुम्हारे हाथ में रिमोट कंट्रोल है, म्यूट अनम्यूट करने का रिमोट कंट्रोल तुम्हारे हाथ में है. तुम चाहो जैसे तुम टीचर को पूछ सकते हो, ये फैसिलिटी ऑफलाइन नहीं हो सकती. वहां पे तुम्हें रेज हैंड करके तुम्हें पूछना है, और वहां पे तुम बोलोगे डर के मारे में पूछोगे नहीं कि नहीं मुझे डर लगता है इसलिए मैं नहीं पूछूंगी, नहीं पूछूंगा. तभी क्लासरूम में वो रीजंस होंगे और अभी ऑनलाइन के रीजंस होंगे. सारे रीजंस निकालते हैं स्टूडेंट्स फॉर नॉट टू डू स्टडीज. ऐसा मत करो स्टूडेंट्स. आई थॉट सो कि टुडे विल डू समथिंग और अच्छे प्रॉब्लम्स. शायद फॉर्मूलाज रिवाइज करके बैठे होंगे तो आज और अच्छे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. लेकिन आई फील कि आई एम डूइंग ऑल थिंग्स अगेन. वापस तुम्हें फॉर्मूला सिखा रहा हूँ, ऐसा फील कर रहा हूँ. अभी देखो स्टूडेंट्स, इसको सॉल्व करने के ना कभी तुम क्या करोगे? तो सिंपल इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, है ना. तो इसको मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो 3 2 6 6 हो जाएगा. 3 2 6 6 हो जाएगा. ये क्या हो जाएगा? दिस इज माइनस 8x हो जाएगा. प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस 8 हो जाएगा. ये माइनस साइन आ जाएगा. ये 3x² हो जाएगा. प्लस इंटू प्लस प्लस 3 2 6, लेकिन ये हो जाएगा माइनस 6x. अपॉन क्या होगा? 3x minus 4 the whole square. अभी कुछ है सॉल्यूशन में, तो 6x² minus 3x² यानी 3x² आएगा. एग्रीड. अभी प्लस 6x minus 6x गेट्स कैंसिल. बचा क्या? माइनस 8x minus 8 अपॉन 3x minus 4 the whole square. इज दिस योर आंसर? अगर तुम चाहो इसके फैक्टर्स निकाल सकते हो. 8 3 24. नहीं, तुम्हें ये फैक्टर्स नहीं मिलेंगे, कैंसिलेशन के हिसाब से नहीं मिलेंगे. दिस बिकम्स योर आंसर. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
स्टूडेंट्स, इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ देम?
Yes, sir.
क्या मैं इसको इरेज करूँ अभी?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm giving you the toughest question. सोच समझ के ध्यान दे के आंसर देना. और ये कौन दे सकेगा मालूम है? जिसको clearly I've told you the chain rule and how to remove constant and what to differentiate. जिसको याद है, remember है, they will be able to. Many students get this particular problem wrong in the first attempt, even good students. Question is, y is equal to sine square ln x. I wanted to differentiate dy by dx. Give me the answer for this. जो तुम्हारे दिमाग में इसका सोल्यूशन आता है, चलो बिंदास डालो, सारे अटेम्प्ट करो प्लीज। जितने भी क्लासरूम में बैठे हैं ना, जितने भी क्लासरूम में बैठे हैं, all 34 students, the strength was initially 41, now it has reached to 34. This is the problem with studies. Parents also not watching onto it. बिंदास आंसर लिखो, जो तुम्हें गलत आता है बिंदास लिखो गलत। Let's see what answer you're getting it. Somebody answered so fast. This we have answered. Very good. Nishant has answered. Mayank has also answered. Very good. Very good. Both Nishant and Mayank has answered. Two students already answered.
Sir, is it correct?
Yes, absolutely correct. Oh, Vansh also has answered. ये Vansh और Mayank कहाँ पे पहले तो आंसर नहीं देते, तभी all of a sudden. Very good. Swapnil, Mayank, these people all are answering. Very good. Okay, students. Okay, students. अभी everybody listen carefully. They've got the correct answer. Students, let me discuss. Students, ये जो मैंने question किया ना, मैंने students will start thinking about it, how to go about. Students, तुम क्या करो मालूम है? ध्यान से सुनना. How to understand such kind of questions. इसको एक simple problem की तरह पकड़ते हैं. Students, अब ध्यान से मैं problem थोड़ा सा change कर देता हूँ. Students, अगर suppose मैं ये question को लिखता हूँ, y is equal to sin square theta. Okay? और यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ students, y is equal to sin theta. Okay? चलो इसको भूल जाओ बताएंगे. Yes, Swapnil, correct. Students, y is equal to sin theta का मैंने तो अगर students मैंने पूछा तो students differentiate dy by dx, तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा?
Cos x,
Minus
cos theta, cos.
हाँ, तो डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin थीटा क्या हो जाएगा? cos थीटा, है ना? पीछे क्या आएगा? आएगा कि नहीं आएगा?
theta by dt.
Yes, sir.
dx है. Agreed, Ashwita?
हाँ, yes sir, dx, sorry.
ओके, चलो ये तुम्हें पता है ना, ये तो बेसिक्स पता है ना. अभी थोड़ा सा हम इसको और ट्रिकी बनाते हैं. अभी मैं स्क्वायर में लिख रहा हूँ, पहले साइन था, अभी मैं स्क्वायर में लिख रहा हूँ. ओके, भाई थीटा था, तो y इक्वल टू sin स्क्वायर थीटा, तो कैसे करोगे? dy by dx क्या करोगे? तो कैन आई टेक दिस एज y इज इक्वल टू x रेज़ टू n. x क्या तुम्हारा? sin थीटा. स्टूडेंट्स, ये sin स्क्वायर थीटा का मतलब क्या हुआ? क्या ये समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
क्या फॉर्मूला था? व्हाट इज एक्चुअली डिफरेंशिएटिंग dy by dx? क्या फॉर्मूला था इसका?
nx raised to n minus 1.
तो इसका क्या होगा? 2 into sin theta raised to what?
1.
2 minus 1 into what? Into what?
Into d theta by dx.
Yes, we consider. But now if I have to consider this is 2 in consider sin theta we consider. Into what we consider? Differentiating your sin theta part also will be there. क्योंकि ये तो तुम्हें 2 sin of 2 minus 1, ये तो x वाला हुआ. पीछे क्या लिखते हो तुम? dx by dx, यानी कि ना इसे डिफरेंशिएटिंग क्या लिखोगे तुम? sin theta by dx. समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स?
Yeah.
समझ में आया क्या किया मैंने?
Yes sir.
ये तो तुम्हारा n तो आ गया. चलो स्टूडेंट्स, ये फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस, इसको भूल जाओ. चलो इसको मैं लेता हूँ t. क्या ना इसे dx by dt पीछे रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा? हाँ स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes sir.
तो वैसे ही तुम्हारा d sin theta by dx होगा कि नहीं होगा? हाँ कि ना? ये देखो n
Yes, sir.
x is to n minus 1 dx by dt. क्या इतना क्लियर हुआ सबको? हाँ स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir. Clear.
ओके, अभी सपोज मैं इसको डिफरेंशिएट करूँ तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin थीटा? व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin थीटा?
cos theta.
Cos theta.
ओके, ध्यान से देखना, 1 डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin थीटा इज व्हाट? cos थीटा। लेकिन पीछे वापस थीटा है कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर हुआ? क्या ये क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, sir. Clear.
ठीक है ना? यानी ये स्टूडेंट्स हम यानी यही प्रॉब्लम को मैं ये दे सकता हूँ तुम्हें एग्जामिनेशन में। अभी सिर्फ क्या कहना है, ln की जगह पे तुम्हारा थीटा है, बस आ गया तुम्हारा आंसर। देखो dy by dx डिफरेंशिएट करो तो सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? सर डिफरेंशिएटिंग दिस, यानी क्या करोगे? सर डिफरेंशिएटिंग ये पार्ट होगा तो 2 sin ln x, 2 - 1 ये आएगा। फिर क्या होगा? डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin ln x by dx, तो ये होगा 2 sin ln x, ये तो 1 ही होगा। Differentiating sin ln x. Students, what exactly sin ln x we consider? What is differentiating sin theta? Cos theta आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? Cos ln x into what? Differentiating ln x by dx. So what's our final answer? 2 sin ln x cos ln x. What is differentiating ln x?
1 by x.
1 by x.
This becomes your answer. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? हाँ स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अगर मैं तुम्हें नहीं बताता तो यानी ना, तो हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स, ये सिंगल टर्म है। अगर तुम्हें स्क्वायर लिखता है ना, ये ध्यान रखना, अगर मैंने साइन स्क्वायर थीटा लिखा उसका मतलब साइन थीटा रेज़ टू पावर ऑफ 2 है वो, तो ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा x रेज़ टू n है, तो n टाइम्स x रेज़ टू n - 1, लेकिन पीछे क्या आएगा? d थीटा बाय, तो इसको मैंने सॉल्व किया, फिर वापस इसको सॉल्व किया, फिर d थीटा बाय dx, यानी ये प्रॉब्लम और ये प्रॉब्लम गोज एग्जैक्टली हैंड इन। Please, it's a very important question. Put down both the solutions. ये नोट में लिखना स्टूडेंट्स, ये नोट 1 लिखना, ये फॉर्मूला, ये नोट 2 लिखना, ये नोट 3 लिखना। पहले ये 3 नोट लिखो, उसके बाद में ये प्रॉब्लम लिखना। And please copy it down, all of you all. Prag, did you understood now? The answer is not matching with it. Prag, is it clear now? Have you understood? Prag? Okay. Swapnil was correct. Vansh also was correct. Man was also correct. Nishant was also correct. I don't know why Parth, Smita to Neti नहीं चल रहा है. Parth, Ashmita, Purvi, these people, they are not answering at all. Done, students, can I erase it?
Yes, sir, you can.
अभी और एक क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ, ट्रिकी वाला. First, I'll give you this form only. Students, पहले ये form में explain कर देता हूँ, फिर वो question देता हूँ, so that you can get your answer upon. Okay, students. Again, listen carefully, students. Suppose if I give you y is equal to x is to n, students, and now my question to you is, students, differentiate y with respect to t. तो क्या करोगे? dy by dt. Agreed, है ना? Formula क्या होगा?
And nx n minus 1 dn wait d yeah dt dx
by
upon dt.
Agreed? Clear? Now, students, answer सुनना. Now, students, answer सुनना. Now, suppose if I give you y is equal to ln x. Agreed?
Yes.
And now, suppose if I happen to ask you, students, differentiate y with respect to x. तो क्या आंसर होगा?
1 upon x.
1 upon x.
1 by x.
So dy by dx is equal to 1 by x. Now, if I give you y is equal to ln x, differentiate y with respect to t.
1 upon x d
1
by
upon x
dx.
1
dx
by
by
x
dt.
dx by dt.
Absolutely correct in this case. Yani 1 by x into what we consider dx by dt. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी ध्यान से सुनो. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose if I give you y is equal to ln sine square x. And my question to you, students, differentiate y with respect to x. All of you will get the answer by yourself. Absolutely correct. Nishant. Nishant has posted his answer. Okay, students, chalo. You're not landing to this answer, na? Answer सुनना, students. और एक क्वेश्चन देता हूँ. इसी को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. Hello, students, everybody. Yes, Vansh, absolutely correct. Vansh को भी आंसर मिला. Students, इसी क्वेश्चन को वापस मैं देख रहा हूँ. देखो, suppose if I give you y is equal to ln x square, and if I ask you, students, differentiate, okay, y with respect to t, तो क्या करोगे?
1 by x square into dx by dt.
Okay, so dy by dt will be equal to differentiating this way, it will be 1 by x square, differentiating dx square by dt. That means 1 by x square तो आएगा ही. Differentiating x square क्या होगा? 2 into x dx by dt. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? Students, क्या ये क्लियर हुआ
Yes,
सबको? All of you all the students. वैसे यहाँ पे ले लो. Yes, Nishant. Sorry, who answered next? Wait a minute. Let me put forward somebody else. Vansh and Mayank. Very good. दोनों में से anybody who wants to answer? Vansh या Mayank. Anybody who wants to unmute and answer for this? ln sin x square. Anyone? Vansh, Mayank. Anyone?
For that ln and sine square x, no?
Yeah.
Sir, it will be dy by dx is equal to dx ln x sine square x by d
So dy by dx will be equal to differentiating ln. What will be?
d ln sine square x sine x square by d sine square x into d sine square x by d sine x into d sine x by dx.
That means first is this part, students. देखो ln x यानी पहले क्या होगा? ये part आ गया. What is differentiating ln x 1 by x? What is differentiating ln? तो ये क्या होगा? Sin x the whole square आएगा. क्या ये clear हुआ, students? हाँ कि ना? Differentiate ln x यानी 1 upon x, 1 upon sin square x. फिर क्या होगा? फिर क्या होगा? Differentiating your latter part of it. What is this? So differentiating sin x the whole square with respect to dx. तो क्या आंसर होगा? 1 upon sin square x. Students, what is differentiating sin square x? What is differentiating sin square x?
2 sin x.
2
2
sin x.
If you're differentiating sin x by dx. Agreed? Students, ये क्या है? Y is equal to x raised to n. X raised to n. N into x raised to n minus 1 into differentiate the last term. So now can I say 1 upon sin square x into 2 sin x. Students, what is differentiating sin x? Cos x. Now can I cancel? Sin x and sin x will get cancelled. 2 cos x upon sin x, students. What's my answer? Check out over here. Same thing I've done it, students. ये देखो ना, ln x square, ln sin x sin square x. ध्यान से देखना, ये step देखो और ये step देखो. पहला step क्या होगा? 1 upon x square, 1 upon x square, तो 1 upon sin square x into differentiating this part, differentiating this part. इसको differentiate कैसे किया? 2x dx by dt, 2 sin x differentiating this by dx. आ गया तुम्हारा आंसर. क्या ये प्रॉब्लम क्लियर हुआ, स्टूडेंट्स? And thus simply we have used chain rule in derivatives, etc. Students, is it clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. क्या मैं इस पे erase कर सकता हूँ मैं अभी?
Sir, can you explain the differentiation of ln by dx?
Which part?
So the second where you got 1 by sine square x square.
Forget about this. Forget about this. Ashika, you are the one speaking.
Yes, sir.
Did you get this part? मुझे बता, ये समझ में आया तुम्हें?
Yes, sir.
ये क्यों समझ में आया? इसको तुमने एक टर्म लिया, तुम्हारा फॉर्म x स्क्वायर आया, फिर डिफरेंशिएटिंग x स्क्वायर किया, तो ये तुम्हारा फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? y is equal to x raised to n, है ना? तो 2 into x raised to n minus 1 लाटर टर्म dx by dt आएगा. एग्रीड? इतना तुम्हें क्लियर हुआ था?
Yes, sir. This is clear.
ओके. तो अश्मिता, x स्क्वायर की जगह पे sin x का होल स्क्वायर को देखो ना. चलो इसको मत देखो अभी. फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस. चलो यहाँ पे क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे? अगर सपोज ये sin स्क्वायर x है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
1 by sine square.
sin स्क्वायर x.
Sin x square. हाँ.
sin x का होल स्क्वायर यानी sin स्क्वायर x ही होगा. एग्री?
Yes. हाँ.
ये भी sin स्क्वायर x ही होगा.
Yes.
तो 1 by sin स्क्वायर x यहाँ पे आएगा.
Yes, sir. So means we are substituting x. Okay, understand. Yes.
And if I go for sin square x, it is 2 sin x into differentiating sin x. What is differentiating sin x by dx? Cos x.
Cos x.
By dx,
Yes, sir.
by dx, sir. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Abhi everybody hold yourself. Nishant, those who answered Vansh, Mayank, ध्यान से सुनना. यही question students, अगर मैं पूछता differentiate with respect to time, तो बोलो क्या होता? यही क्वेश्चन लेकिन नॉट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, तो क्या होगा? जल्दी से।
It will have 2 cot x dx upon dt.
वेरी गुड, देखा तुरंत आंसर आया। इसके पीछे सिर्फ क्या था? dx by dt आता, बस खत्म हो गया। देखो वापस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम होता तो ये t आता, ये t आता, ये t आता, ये भी t आता। ध्यान से देखना अभी। हाँ, ये वैसे का वैसे होता। Differentiating this is 2 sin x. Differentiated sin x by dt. What is differentiating sin x by dt students? Cos x. लेकिन पीछे क्या आता? dx by dt. ये वाला पार्ट आता। क्या समझ में आया? What exactly we are trying to do, students?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Agreed to all the students who are into the group. Okay,
Yes,
students.
sir.
Can I erase it? Students, can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. For your homework, students, page number 29. Page number 29 in chapter K, 6 problems are given to you. All 6 problems has to be solved. Agree, students? I repeat. Are you listening?
We finished those.
Huh?
Yes, sir. We are done. Now.
We have done now.
We have done inside the classroom.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God, very good. Okay, fine. Even the last one, 6th one also, x ln x upon ex.
Yeah,
Yes,
I had
sir.
a doubt
Yes, sir.
and you solved it in the end.
Okay, acha, fine. Doesn't matter. Okay, so next time students will go for maximum and minimum. Okay, we'll go for maximum and minimum we consider and your integration part of it. Okay. Okay, students, but revise your formula. Is this clear?
The maximum and minimum is
Yes,
like the answer is equal to 0 and you have to find the 2 x and y. Right, no? Yeah, so solved it.
Maximum and minimum
Done.
means we considers your dy by dx will be equal to 0. The slope will be parallel to the given x-axis we consider.
Yeah, I solved that.
Very good. Very good. Okay, good. Okay, students. So we'll move further in the next lecture, students. Okay, today we'll wind up. So bye. And please, those students who haven't revised the formula, please revise all the formulas.